Hi, it's Shiy with Wiggle Room, and I am doing a review today for a docking station. It's by Liztek. It's a USB 3.0 docking station with a dual video monitor. So let's take a look to see what's inside. Okay, so inside here we have first the quick start manual that tells you all about how to use the product and what each of the ports are. The next thing in here is the cable. Now this has a USB on one side and it has one of these ports here on the other, which I think this is a LAN. I'm not sure. I haven't used this part yet. I'm not sure what it's. I don't have anything that would plug into that. But this is the actual docking station. It is pretty small for such a large, for having such a large ability of functions. So it is pretty small in size. And it works great. I've already tried it and I love it. So let me tell you a little bit about it. On the back side there's a little stand, very small little stand to set it on. These are here is the top, the front, and the back is where all of the ports are. The ports here, we have the first port there is the DC 12 volt, so you can plug in something that has a regular plug outlet into it. Then the next one here, this is, well, that's what that is. That is a USB 3. Okay, so that's a USB 3 right here. And that goes in here, and it has a couple of a USB 3.0 in. Not sure, I don't have anything that goes with that, so I'm not sure what exactly it's used for. The next one is for regular USB 3 USB flashes or plugs here, so you can use even flash drives in there, which I have a couple of those I've used, which are really nice. And then it has regular USB 2.0, so if you have any of the older USBs, those would fit right in there. So if you want HD, if you're plugging in something in here that you need to use your HDMI port, there's that right here. Then you also have a DVI port right here, and your LAN for your computer. Sorry about that. So your HDMI here, your DVI here, and your LAN here. So it has a very wide variety of ports on here. And what's nice about this is it supports resolutions up to 2048 by 1152. It can mirror your desktop. It has a headset, microphone. You can plug in your headset or your microphones. So that's also nice that you could do that there too. Your headset and your microphone right here. You can see that right there. So you can do so many things with this, and it's super fast. It charges really, really quickly. It transfers up to 5 gigabits per second, so that's super, super fast. And I have used it for a few different things, and the transfer rate was really nice. You can get this on Amazon. I have never had a docking station like this before, but I can tell you that I don't need any other docking stations because this one does it all, and it does it great. So I don't know if you've tried this out, but if you have, leave some comments down below. Tell me what you think. I've only been using it for a short amount of time, and I love it so far. So if you have any other comments or opinions on it, please let me know. This is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Don't forget to keep on wiggling. Thanks, bye.